Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have a bit of a fun video for you guys today. Well, I think it's a fun video. I hope you do too. This is a haul from Shien. No clothing. I did purchase clothing. I'm going to do a video on that separately, but I just wanted to show you other fun things that you can get from Shien. So let's get started. I've got 10 items that I just purchased. They only arrived today, so I'm super excited to get into the bag and find out what we've got. Okay, this is fun. Okay, for me, not for you guys. I bought a pack of 50 shower caps. I use these shower caps all the time because I have a shower every day, but I don't wash my hair every day because I don't want to take the good natural oils out. So I usually wash my hair 2-3 times a week. But when I get a shower, I like to make sure my face is clean. I've exfoliated and I like to have my hair well tied back. So these are just a pack of 50 that I got for £2.49. And they're just standard little shower caps. Love that they come individually wrapped. And then that way, if I'm going away on a holiday or wherever you are in the world vacation, I can take these with me. These are, I think, large. I purchased. So you've got quite a lot of stretch. And it is quite a big shower cap. I have a lot of hair, so I like to usually push it up and into the shower cap. So these, for the price that I paid, I'm also going to pop this one back in the bag because I intend to reuse it. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. I think that's pretty awesome. Guys, I also got free shipping on my order because I had a voucher. So I didn't pay shipping at all. Bear in mind, you may have to pay shipping. But for 50 of these little shower caps for $2.49, I thought that was a pretty decent deal. And I definitely, once I have run out of these or I'm running out of them, I will purchase some more. They're super, super handy. Okay, let me see what else we've got. We have a number of fidget items that I got, but I'll leave those to last. And I'll show you guys these items. I purchased this little brush. This brush was only 99p, which I think is outstanding value. It is used, I think, for around your windows to clean dust and stuff from your windows. I have bought something similar from Wish before, but I wanted this one because I don't know about you guys, but I have chrome taps in my house, and around the bottom sometimes you get like a buildup of murkiness. I'm not really sure. And I do use lime scale remover, but it doesn't always get it into the little narrow the little narrow gaps. So I purchased this so that I could get into those gaps and really, really clean them and polish them up. I'm not sure what this side is used for, but this is what I intend to use this little brush for. I love the fact that it has a handle. It's very comfortable, and I really do believe this is going to do the job perfectly. So I'm really happy to have that, and I can get started on the whole cleaning process. I have a number of cables that I keep by my bedside at night. I have a charger I have 2 phones. One I use specifically for shooting videos for YouTube, which is the one I'm currently using, and one that I use as my personal phone. I also have a set of earphones and I think another cable, but I think it's for my Kindle. So I hate having to bend down the side of the bed, pull up my cables. So I decided to purchase these little, I can't even get these out, these little attachments where you can hook your cables in. They just have this little sticky. I currently have one in my room, but it's getting a little tatty, and it only holds 2 cables, and I need more. So I purchased 2. I probably will only use one because you can put 4 cables in here. And I just attach it to the side of the bed, and at night or in the morning when I get up, I just unhook them from my phone or my Kindle, and I just pop them directly in here. It means that I don't have to stretch and fiddle around looking for them. These two little attachments cost me £1.29. That is a really good deal in my opinion, because the one that I purchased, which only has 2 slots for the cables, cost me £3. So I think this is a pretty awesome bargain. I'm so happy to have this. Cannot wait to replace my old one that I have upstairs. So I can show you guys. Okay, 2 more items. This is a really funny item. I'm going to show you that in a minute. This little item, I believe, I love that it comes in a little packet. I think this is the little poly dots that you use to stick balloons together. It is. So you have, oh, these are super sticky. I'm going to show you guys if you can see it, the little poly dot right here. This is, I don't even know how many you get in this, but enough for what I want to use it for. I bought these because my nephews do a lot of crafting when they're in my house, and sometimes the felt, you have to use hot glue to stick felt onto felt. I don't want them using hot glue. So I decided to purchase these to see how good they were. They are super sticky, guys. It's like super, super sticky. And I'm hoping that this works. This little set of poly dots. I don't even know if poly dots is the right name. When I used to work in a shop a long, long time ago, they used to use something similar to these to put price tags on. And they called them poly dots. I've called them that ever since. So I'm not sure if that's what they're called. If you guys know any different, leave a comment in the comment section. I'm always up for being educated. But I just thought these would be fun. And I think these cost me no more than £1. Again, guys, I got complete free delivery. So you guys might have to pay for delivery. I got my delivery free because I got a voucher from Shien, and Shien do vouchers all the time. So if you want to buy something, put it in your cart, and you'll find that you'll get offers that come around really, really fast. Guys, I love the Japanese culture, the Chinese culture. I think it's rich and interesting and just full of life. And I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos about Japan and the food that they eat and how they eat them. And I'm honestly always glued to my phone when those videos are on. I love the idea of being able to use chopsticks. I cannot use them, but I bought a pack of, these are Good Wheat Green Producers chopsticks. They are 230 millimeters and it's a set of 4, which I thought was awesome. This cost me £2.50. Let's see. Oh my gosh, they're different colors. I really, really like that. Let me see. Can we pull these up? Oh, okay. So inside the pack, you get 4 sets of chopsticks. These are plastic. I don't know how to use them, but I'm going to try my hardest to find out. You have got a plain kind of white beige, this nice blue, gorgeous purple, which is one of my favorite colors, and a really nice set of pink. So let's take these out and have a look. Okay, these are really nice chopsticks, really nice and lightweight. I don't even know if this is the right way to hold them. It's so difficult. I mean, I cannot use chopsticks. But I am going to practice because I want to be able to use them. So I purchased this set of 4. They're all for me. And I just thought it would be good to practice. And then the next time I'm eating some noodles or some ramen, which I love, I could maybe use chopsticks instead of a fork. So they're pretty cool, pretty awesome. I'm really excited to have those. I'm excited to start trying to learn how to use them properly. And I'm going to tell you something really funny. So I was so interested in trying to use chopsticks that I bought myself a pair of children's chopsticks. And they have a little spring that pushes the 2 chopsticks together. I still couldn't use those. Honestly, so bad. But I'm going to try my hardest to try these. Guys, so the next things I'm going to show you are all along the same sort of line. Let's pop them all out. We're just going to put our bag right over here. These are all, let me tilt you guys down. These are all different types of fidget toys. I got a number. And guys, I do have other fidget toys. I was planning to do just one big video on fidget toys, but I have so many that the video would be way too long. These were supposed to be included in that video, but I'm so excited. I have to show you guys now because I do intend to give these, I don't intend to keep any of these. I do intend to give them away to my nephews. So let's just open them and have a look. So the first fidget toy is, I don't even know what this is called. This is called Shagmo? I'm not sure. But these are little tubes. These are little tubes. You can buy more than one in multiple colors. I think mine was a random selection. And this was 99p. These are massive long tubes. And you push them out and you push them back. You can make different shapes. They're bendable. They are attachable. So you can make loads and loads of different shapes. And they're just fun little things to keep you your mind occupied or your hands occupied. I purchased one of these only to see what it was like. This is pretty decent quality. I really, really like it. I love the sounds it makes. But you can purchase more. I probably will go ahead and purchase more of these. I just think they're fun. I like them. And I like the fact that they've got attachments on the end. So if you buy more than one, you could make a big hula hoop and just attach them all together. So these are really, really fun. And just something to kind of keep the kids interested, I guess. The next one, these little fidget things are a bit weird to me. I've never seen a fidget toy like this one, but I think, is there, I don't know what you call it, but I purchased the rainbow one or the psychedelic-y type one because I really thought it was cute. I think the premise is that you push it, it sticks together and it pops eventually. This really feels like a hand workout. This is so tough. So I thought that was quite fun. Again, this was only 99p. And I know that the kids are gonna love these. I mean, they're so cheap and cheerful. And they're really, really good. Like, this is really good, sturdy, it's not plastic, but rubber. I mean, really excellent quality. The next little items, let me do this one first. This little item is another one of these poppets. It is super cute and adorable. This little poppet cost me £1.49. It's nice. It's nice. Almost feels like silicone. It's really, really nice. It comes on a keychain, which I love, and it's in the shape of a bear. Guys, this comes in multiple colors. I picked the random color. I think actually the selection is random, so you just get whatever color they send. I'm fine with this green. It's a nice lime green, so I'm totally happy with that. And the premise is that you pop these in. Pop, 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 pop. Oh, this one doesn't want to pop. And then you press them all out again. I love this little item. I think it's super cute and adorable. Again, along the same lines, another poppet. This is a puzzle piece poppet. You can buy multiple different types and you can actually puzzle them, put the puzzle together. I decided only to buy one, but if you guys are interested, these little poppets, this is actually much better quality than this one. This one is a little bit more flimsy. This one is a lot more sturdy. The silicone is a lot thicker, and I think the pops push in so much better. Guys, I believe that this little poppet cost me £2 with free delivery. These I know are selling anything between £3 and £5. So to get it for £2 or possibly less with free delivery, score. So happy. I love the sound of these poppets. I know my nephews love these kind of things. So I can't wait to give them to them. And the last one, guys, this one was the same price. So I paid the same price for this one. It was £1.99 or £2 or less. And I genuinely believe it was less than £2. But look at this one. This is massive. It is pop. It is so big. And it's in the shape, I believe, of a cat's head. I just think it is adorable. This one, again, is probably... yeah, the silicone is very, the silicone's really thick. So it's nice. It's not going to get destroyed, you know, in a matter of a week or 2 weeks. I mean, you're going to have this a long time, as long as you keep it clean. And I just think it's so fun. And you can pop these all in. Let's pop and push them out. You guys know a lot of people like popping, the sound of popping, bubble wrap. This is kind of similar to the bubble wrap experience. You just push them in and then pop them all out. Guys, I love these little poppets. I think they're just so much fun. I love Shien. It's probably one of my favorite places to buy from. I don't always buy clothes. Sometimes I look on Shien to see anything different that they have that I can't buy in my local stores. So these are just some things that I couldn't purchase in my local store. And I just decided to buy them from Shien. Guys, this whole entire item cost, or this whole entire haul cost me less than £20. And I just think that is so good value. If you guys haven't checked out Shien, I will link the website in the description below for you. If you have any comments or would like to say hi, please feel free to put them in the comment section below. I will absolutely come back to you as soon as I can. I really hope you liked this video. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. If you did, please smash that like button. That really helps. And if you guys are not yet a subscriber and would like to come and join us, please feel free to do so. We would love to have you here. I hope you all have the most wonderful day. Please take care. Please look out for each other. And I'm going to catch you next time. Stay safe, everybody. Bye.